So today we're going to be going through some Redbubble shop, seeing what's good, what needs improvement, and just giving some tips and tricks on how to get better. I'll be doing some shop reviews, and if you happen to be new on the channel and you've not seen this, there's a lot of value in these videos. I give a lot of information to help the people that submit the shop as well as the people watching, so make sure you watch up until the end. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. If this is the first time you're stumbling across this channel and you're looking to make some extra cash online, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be kept up to date whenever I do upload a new video. And if you do go on to get any sort of value from any point of this video, a like rating would be very much appreciated. If this video can hit over 200 plus likes, my next episode of this will be a live stream. I asked for this on the last episode. Unfortunately, we didn't hit it. Now, for anyone looking for any sort of extra information when it comes to print on demand, I have a free print on demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. And just under that, for anyone who's looking to make this more of a full-time thing, I have a paid step-by-step course that will pretty much fast track you to print on demand success, linked down below. On to the first shop, we have Illustration. I hope that's how it's pronounced, but at first glance, this shop looks really good. The banner has some nice pinks and nice images, which I would assume are products that she's selling within her shop. I'm noticing this shop has over 100 designs with 142 designs, which is always good to see. The first featured collection is a sticker collection. I'm seeing sticker packs in there and a variation of other stickers, especially animal designs, which do really well on Redbubble. I'm seeing more collections here, and for anyone who doesn't know, it's really important to use collections on your shop, mainly because if a customer likes a specific design and you have that in a collection, it could lead to them buying more than one item. Going through the shop, once again, I'm seeing sticker packs. Sticker packs are always good to create, mainly because they will make you more competitive and give you a competitive advantage over other people selling in your niche. I'm seeing a Rick and Morty design, and I know a lot of people might be thinking, oh, that's trademark, that's copyright. But Redbubble actually have this thing where it allows Redbubble sellers to have a partner that allows them to sell Rick and Morty items infringement free. So if you're not taking advantage of that, take advantage of that. I'll actually link a video down in the description where I spoke about trademark and how it works when it comes to Redbubble and being able to create trademark designs like Rick and Morty. As we go through the shop, I'm seeing there's a variation. The general style is an artistic style. I can already tell this person's creating these designs from scratch and they're doing a really good job with it too. I'm seeing they have 287 favorites, which means people are finding the shop. They've also got the fan artist stamp, which is always cool to see, which means that Redbubble is noticing that artistic genius and they're appreciating their work pretty much, which is always good to see. Now, I noticed they've got some greetings cards here. Greetings cards right now are killing it, mainly because we're getting into the holiday season with Christmas coming up, but I'm not seeing enough of greetings cards on the shop. With the artistic skills this person has, I'm pretty sure they can make a lot of very attractive looking, not even attractive looking, a lot of greetings cards that stand out, which is what I'm trying to say. And this is something that they should be focusing on right now. As I go onto this design, looking at the title, they've titled it "This Grumpy Chihuahua is Done with 2020, Funny Dog in a Hoodie," and obviously it's a sticker. Thing that I love about this title, the fact that it features keywords. We've got grumpy, we've got chihuahua, we've got 2020, and we've got funny dog, all searchable keywords. And then on top of this, we can see they've got it added in the description, which helps with things like Google search. And then finally, as we go onto the tags, I'm saying they've got quite a lot of tags there. I'm not too sure if it's more than 15, but if it is, I would recommend them to create 15 or less tags, mainly because Redbubble themselves recommend 15 tags. So that could even help their designs get pushed up more in the search results, something to consider. I mean, there's a lot of things that are great about this shop. And there's not much I can do in terms of advice, but for the things that do need improvement, I would say this person could probably make a lot more greetings cards using their artistic skills, and they'll make a lot more sales. And then with those sales that will come in from the greetings cards, it will then make people more aware of their other sticker designs, and they'll continue to perform well. I mean, whoever runs this shop, you're doing a great job. Whoever's starting out on Redbubble, shops like this are kind of the example of what you want to aim to be. I understand not everyone's artistic, but everyone can make simple text-based designs and format them in a similar way. Moving us on to the next shop, we have Amy Greaves, and her banner and logo match, which is cool to see. Her banner could be a bit more clearer, but you know, I won't be too picky, mainly because she's kind of matched the banner and the logo, which was cool to see. She's got 307 designs, which is a lot of designs. A featured collection at the top with a variation of different products in there, followed by collections with a lot of things there too. Now, one thing that I'm noticing with this shop is that there's a variation of different products popping up, which leads me to believe that they've gone with the default option when it actually comes to picking what product shows at the front. Now, that's something I wouldn't recommend. If you're looking to increase your sales, you want to select a particular product. In this case, I would recommend stickers, greetings cards, even masks as the product that show up at the front, mainly because that will increase your sales. Like, for example, if I was someone who's coming on this shop who's looking to buy maybe a definition related design, this here is on a phone case. If I wanted to buy this on a t-shirt, for example, she could end up losing out on a sale, for example. So it's important to pick a product, as that will increase your chances of getting sales. That's how it's been for myself personally. Scrolling right to the bottom, I'm seeing they've got 33 favorites, so people are finding this shop. The person who runs this shop, she just needs to create more designs that are sticker based. So I'm seeing some stickers there, but she wants more sticker packs. So things like this, but more spaced out, will help her get more sales in on her shop. More Christmas designs, focusing on things like greetings cards, will definitely help this shop out a lot. I'm just gonna click on a design and then we'll go off that. So we'll have a look at the title, tags, other keywords used. So here, this is a lagom. The case is obviously the product. Now I'm guessing lagom is a word, and this is just a definition style design. And as we go through the title, I mean, I would add definition at the end of this. So it would say lagom definition, and then the product will show up next. So it could be a lagom definition case, t-shirt, so on, so on, so on. As we go through, I am seeing they've got this product activated on 91 things. So there's maybe a couple of things that's not activated on. This is something to definitely pay attention to, because the more things you have your product activated on, the more chances you have of selling it. Going through onto the tags, I'm seeing they've used relevant tags and keywords, less than 15 as well, so not too many. So they've done a great job there. I would just recommend that they create more sticker packs and greetings cards based designs. Next up, we've got Bliss Blast. I love the banner, the yellow, you've got the neon text, which is cool to see. Once again, they've got over 100 designs, which is always good to see. And in the featured collection, I'm seeing a sticker pack. Sticker packs do really great when it comes to Redbubble. As we go through more collections here, a lot of Christmas based collections. And as we go through, I'm seeing stickers, masks. She got any greetings cards in there? Let's have a quick look. Greetings cards are performing really well now, and it's something a lot of people need to be paying attention to. So I'm seeing one here, but it's for Thanksgiving. I'm seeing a Christmas one here, but it's not under the right dimensions. If you're wondering, right dimensions for greetings cards are 5,000 by 7,100. So that's something she needs to try to fix up on there. Besides that, I'm seeing this 18 favorites. So some people have found her shop. She can definitely get a lot more sales in this if she at the moment focuses a lot more on greetings cards. Because personally, for me, with some of my stores, they're bringing in a lot of sales. And I know for a fact a shop like this can also bring in greetings card sales. I'm just going to click on the sticker pack here. We'll have a quick look at the title and keywords and the other things here. So I'm seeing penguin, reindeer, crown, and then obviously sticker. I feel like I would add a few more things to this title, so a few more keywords. So maybe penguin, reindeer, Christmas, crown, pack, or something like that, just to add more keywords in the title. And in terms of the title, usually I'll just copy the title and put it in the description. That seems to make a difference. And tag wise, she's not used too many tags, but the tags are fairly long. I mean, I understand why she's doing this. A lot of people on Redbubble recently have started to pack tags with like a lot of keywords like this. I would recommend you use relevant keywords that are very similar to your title in your tags, making sure it's 15 tags or less, as that will make a difference. So it's just something to bear in mind. And I'm seeing that this is available on 92 products, so that's pretty much everything. So it's good to see that she's increasing her chances of potentially getting sales. I didn't really mention this with the first shop, but I noticed the first shop I covered also had all the products activated, so that's also great for them as well. I mean, besides that, not much else I would recommend for this shop to do besides acting upon implementing greetings cards, as they will make the difference. Next up, we have Graphic Soul. Now the banner really stands out, orange, and then we've got black and orange as well here in the logo, which matches up. I'm seeing collections, so we've got text graphics, and obviously they've got some simple text related designs here, which is really good to see. For the shop itself, I mean, they've got 109 designs over the 100 mark once again, which is good to see. And I'm seeing masks, t-shirts, laptop covers, phone cases, and I can see they've purposely picked this product as well, mainly because they're designs that look good on these particular products. So I like what they've done there. And I'm just gonna have a quick look at the favorites. So they've got 333 favorites, so people are finding their designs, which is good to see. And when it comes to the phone cases and the laptop covers like this, if they're getting sales on these products, if you're watching, yeah, keep that up if this is getting you sales. But usually I would recommend to stick to things like stickers with sticker packs, masks, and greetings cards at first, as those products will help you bring some sales in. I'm just going to click on this design and we'll have a quick look in terms of what you've done when it comes to the keywords. So you've just titled Proud to be American. Now in terms of this, there's a lot of things you could have added in terms of keywords, especially with the elections going on. So you could have put Proud to be American 2020 election, and that would have helped you with keywords to put you in the ranking for designs that are also related to the elections. As we go through the shop, I'm seeing this is only available on 69 products. So you want to make sure that everything's activated. Even if you think your design doesn't look good on a specific product, ignore that thought and activate it anyways, because in Redbubble, the weirdest things end up selling. Personally, I have sold leggings that I didn't think were going to sell with a particular design. So always be making sure that everything's activated. As I go through, I'm seeing your stickers, not even your stickers, your tags. You've got American Proud, Proud to be American, Nation, Country, Proud to be America. So a few tags in there. There's a lot more I would add in. I would add in things in relation to the election, in related to 2020, making sure you stay under 15 tags, and that will help push it up in the rankings, and you could potentially get even more sales on this design. I mean, besides that, you want to be making sure you work more on things like greetings cards. I'm advising greetings cards to everyone at the moment because they're doing well, and look into sticker packs as well, because sticker packs do make a big difference when it comes to Redbubble. Last shop we have for today's episode is Pinks and Blues. Now Pinks and Blues, firstly, has an amazing banner. I like the work that went into this. Now everything looks nice. This is very similar to the first banner I showed you guys. It looks very, very professional, and that goes a long way when it comes to getting returning customers. The logo matches the colors as well. One thing that could need improvement is the amount of designs. I mean, they have less than 100 designs. I always recommend everyone to get to at least 100 designs before they start expecting sales. And if you're looking to submit your shops and you've not hit 100 designs yet, rethink that. Try to hit 100 designs and then let me know how things are going. Then if you want to submit your shop for a review, submit it, because I found that it's hard to start seeing sales or consistent sales till you at least get to 100. I've got multiple shops and I've noticed that once I go past the 100 mark and I keep obviously putting up relevant designs, I will start to see sales here or there. Seeing a collection at the top, sticker packs. Sticker packs sell easily if you can get in the right niche. I'm seeing designs that aren't showing properly on some products, so it shows okay here. The Patrick is a bit low on the iPad there, and I'm guessing that they've gone with the default option in terms of the product view. Once again, when it comes to the product view, I would always recommend you guys to select your product, as that will increase your chances of selling it. So we're seeing a Biden design. If she created it herself and drew it, that's great. I mean, this is a nice looking design linked to the election as well. I'm guessing it would have done well. Name designs tend to do quite well, but they're not in small niches. The niches for names are quite big. But I mean, if it's doing well for the person who owns the shop, that's something they should keep doing. Maybe even create name sticker packs. Seeing they've got 14 favorites, so some people have found them, but not too many people. And I'm guessing this might be due to the fact that they've got name-based designs, and the niches for name-based designs are really, really big. But once again, they've got sticker packs in there, which is always good to see. I'm not seeing a lot of greetings cards. There's one here, but once again, I'm guessing it's just showing as a default product. So this person needs to make sure that they're picking the product they want to show up on the shop. I'm gonna go and click on a design. So we'll click on this Biden design to look at how they want about their keywords, how they want about their tags. And here I can see they put cute chibi drawing Biden 2020 election. So they've got keywords in there, which is good to see. As we go lower down, so saying time to say hello to Biden, Biden to Donald. Maybe also copy and paste your title in the description. That could help with the search rankings. This is something that's starting to become more evident now with Redbubble. The description is starting to match up to search rankings. In the past, this didn't used to happen that much. It was mainly sites like TeePublic, but Redbubble is implementing that as well. As for tags, election, Biden, Joe Biden, you've got 2020 in there. I mean, you could always add a few more, but those tags look fairly good to me, relevant to the design. Only available on 70 products, so not everything. Once again, you want to be making sure you make your designs available on everything. It makes a world of the difference, and you could potentially end up getting sales you did not expect to get. That is the last shop we're going to be reviewing in today's episode. If you've made it to this point of the video and you've got any sort of use or value, a like rating would be very much appreciated. Once again, if we can get 200 likes, I will do a live stream for you guys. If you want to see that, make sure to drop a like on this video, and that would be very much appreciated. Nevertheless, if you made it to this point, down in the comments, comment more reviews. The more comments I see, the more comments I will respond to, and hopefully it will keep these reviews going on as well. And always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.